Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice square root problem? Let's use two methods here. From here, method 1, on what is given here, we can rewrite this as square root of. Here we have 30 can be written as 10 times 3, then raised to power 3, plus also here we have 10 times 4, also raised to power 3, then plus here as well we have 10 times 5, then raised to power 3 from here. Then next step, on the law of indices, when we have a times b raised to power n, here this can be written as a raised to power n times b raised to power n. That is, here we can write this again as square root of 10 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 3, plus here we have 10 raised to power 3 times 4 raised to power 3, then plus 10 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power 3. And here we have 10 raised to power 3 here common, and this becomes square root of, we factor 10 raised to power 3 out, then we have 10 raised to power 3 into bracket 3 raised to power 3 plus 4 raised to power 3 left, then plus 5 raised to power 3 left here, close bracket. Then from here becomes square root of 10 raised to power 3, then into bracket 3 raised to power 3, 3 multiply itself 3 times, that's 27, plus 4 raised to power 3, 4 multiply itself 3 times, that's 64, then plus also 5 raised to power 3, we have 125. Then close bracket, which we can write as square root of, here we have 10 raised to power 3 multiplied by the sum here give us 216. Then which also implies that we can write this as square root of 10 raised to power 3 multiplied by 6 raised to power 3. 6 multiplied itself 3 times to give us 216. Then also reversing the law of indices here, we can take this power out, and this becomes square root of 10 times 6 all raised to power 3, which implies 10 times 6 here, we have 60, so we have root 60 raised to power 3 here, and which we can write as root 60 squared then times 60. And here we can separate this, and this becomes root 60 squared then times root 60 from here, then square cancel square root, so we have 60 times root 60 here, and we can write root 60 as 4 times 15. Also here we can separate this as root 4 times root 15, and root 4 here is 2, so we have 60 times 2 then multiplied by root 15. And from here, this implies we have 60 times 2, which is 120. So here this gives us 120 root 15. So here we have the solution to this problem. And also we can use another method from here. 30 raised to power 3 is 30 multiplied itself 3 times, which can be written as 27,000. Then also 40 raised to power 3, also 40 multiplied itself 3 times, which is 64,000 here. And also 50 multiplied itself 3 times, that gives us 125,000. Then what we have now can be written as square root of 27,000 plus 64,000 plus 125,000 from here. And then when we sum this together, here, this gives us square root of 216,000 from there, and which we can separate and write it as square root of 216 times 1000. Then, which becomes, here we can write this as square root of 6 raised to the power 3 as 216, then 10 raised to the power 3 as 1000. Then, also here from the law of indices, we have square root of 6 times 10 all raised to the power 3, and which becomes square root of 60 raised to the power 3, which we can separate as square root of 60 squared times 60, same thing as 60 raised to the power 3. Then we have root 60 squared times root 60. That is, we have square times square root as 60 times here root 60 separated as 4 times 15, which is same thing as 60 times root 4 times root 15, and root 4 here is 2, so we have 60 times 2, then times root 15, which implies we have 120 root 15, which is same thing with what we have from the first method. So here we have come to the end of this class. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and put your comment